Hello my friends, welcome to Prime Strings. I'm Henriette and today we're playing Cowboys and Indians, and Cowboys and Indians is always everyone's favourite. So I'll play it for you first. You can make up some words to this song and you might go Cowboys and Indians, they like riding horses. Cowboys and Indians, they like riding horses. And for many, having words to a song makes it much easier to play. Now, we're going to focus today on using long bows and short bows. So every minim I would like you to use a long bow, so the first note. And this one, long. Then you get short, long, 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 short, 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 long, short, 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 long. And as you may know, when we play long bows, we're going to stretch our bow arm forward like this. So your hand finishes straight in front of your tummy. If you find yourself playing like this, and your bow is slipping, then your hand has gone too far to your side. So my hand was about here, wasn't it? And I need to be there. So you can try to change that if you can. Right. Now, let's just practice playing the first finger on the D string. So I'm checking my finger line, my thumb, my tennis ball, and I'm just going to play D and 1 on D. To listen really carefully and check if your finger sounds exactly the same as mine. If it doesn't, then perhaps you can change its placement here. Go up a little bit or go down a little bit and make it absolutely perfectly in tune. We're going to try that again, playing D and then 1 on D. And now then, for an end of your lesson, we're going to play the whole song from the beginning to the end. Are you ready? After 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome, well done. Feel free to share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Goodbye.